In this video, I'll guide you through how to get Steam games up to 90% cheaper. Buying new games can become expensive, especially if you enjoy trying out the latest releases. The good news is that Steam regularly offers legitimate ways to save money, and in this guide, I'll walk you through the available options shown in the platform, while also pointing out an important policy consideration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know where to look for discounts and how to keep track of future deals without missing out. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, head to the login screen and enter your account name and password. Double-check your details before selecting Sign In. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage, where you can access your library, the store, and your account settings. Next, click on your username near the top of the Steam window to open the drop-down menu, then select Account Details. Inside this section, you'll find the option to update your store country. This area displays the country associated with your Steam store. Keep in mind that Steam may verify your location, and your store region should accurately reflect where you actually reside. Making sure your account information is correct helps you stay in line with Steam's policies and ensures your purchases work as expected. You may hear suggestions online about using a VPN to access lower regional prices. However, it's important to know that using a VPN to change your apparent location for purchasing games can violate Steam's terms and may result in restrictions on your account. For that reason, it's best to stick with the store region that matches your actual location. One of the easiest and safest ways to save money is by taking advantage of Steam's seasonal sales. Throughout the year, Steam hosts major events where many games receive significant discounts, with some titles reaching up to 90% off. These sales are an excellent opportunity to build your game library while spending much less than usual. Another useful feature is your Steam wish list. Simply add games you're interested in, and Steam will notify you whenever those titles go on sale. This makes it easy to monitor prices without checking the store every day and helps ensure you don't miss a great deal. By keeping your account information accurate, watching for official Steam sales, and making good use of your wish list, you can save a substantial amount on your favorite games while staying within Steam's guidelines. Thanks for watching, and enjoy expanding your game library for less.